you would like for there to be a national day in your honor, and for every year
I love
everyone
that.
to stand outside of your home and sing to you.
Well, I just figured I'd push record and then I'd get right in it. I don't know. Wow. Listen, I had like different plans for today, and maybe, I don't even know what I'm doing, but I felt very inspired by the green grass and the trees and the warm weather that spring has brought me so far. So I feel like that's kind of the vibe that I'm gonna go for today. This is the look that I've been going for the past couple days, not with this inner like corner, but the past couple days I've been going for this like smoky eyeliner. And I know, I feel like a sexy little pirate rocker. And you know what? Maybe I am. Maybe I am, and maybe I never stopped being that. Hi, how are you? My name is Charles. Welcome to my channel. I feel like as James Charles's flame starts to die out, mine starts to rise as the new Supreme, because as his name is James Charles, my name is Charles James, and that's no joke. The J is for James. So I am the new Supreme. I'm up and coming. This is happening for me. So here's actually what I'm gonna do, is I'm going to, I think, take my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm gonna try to give myself like a nice little canvas up here, since I already have makeup on previously. And I think I'm just gonna kind of like pat it and blend it out with my finger up onto the rest of my brow bone and down onto my actual lash line. I'm actually gonna go in with this yellow first. So I'm going to pack on this yellow in the middle. How is everybody's week going? Go ahead and tell me and I'll listen. Here we go. And tell me how your week's going. Oh, really? Oh my gosh. Wow. And you're making it, huh? Proud of you. Do you like that? Do you like that supportive soundbite? All right, now I'm gonna go in with that lime green, and I'm going to go on the sides and the inner corner. So yeah, I hope everybody is doing well. My spring seems to be going all right. My dad's randomly in the hospital. Yeah, he's gonna be all right, but it is still worrisome. Ooh, oh, that's fun. It's like sunlight on a hill. Sunlight on a hill. Have you ever seen sunlight on a hill? I never have. I actually have multiple times, so I don't know why I said that. Now, I was originally going to do white, but I'm thinking actually I want to do pink. Maybe pink and red. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and create a blob-like shape starting like right about here. And this feels crazy, okay? This does not feel right, and it's not going to. I don't want it to be too big, but I am gonna go a little bit up here. All right, I'm gonna turn these into roses. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the red, and on this side, we're going to do, oh yeah, some kind of like a blob-like shape. We're gonna end somewhere right by my under eye. Then we're gonna fill all this in right here. All right, so first I'm actually gonna take this bright pink shadow, and I'm going to press it down onto this side, because this is a little sticky and glossy. All right, so I think I'm gonna go with a red. And this does have leftover black shadow, so that is gonna be adding a bit of a darker tone. All right, I'm actually going in with this red and then kind of ruddy rust color. I'm just gonna be filling in some other petal-like shapes. I think we're getting a good shape here, but I wonder if I can actually go in a little bit more because it kind of just looks like a brain right now. I'm actually gonna go back in with that pink lipstick, and I'm gonna add one more petal to kind of give it that protruding rose shape. I'm gonna try my liquid liner and black and just see if I can carve out some nice petal shapes. You know, humans have always been so obsessed by roses. Have you guys noticed that? All throughout humanity, roses have just been something that humans admire so much. Okay, so this looks good so far, but in order to really achieve that kind of rose-like shape, it has to have, it's kind of wrapped up in the middle. So you kind of want to add, perfect, that kind of tubular shape in the middle. Perfect. Okay, so as you can kind of see, I've connected the liner to other shapes in the rose, and it looks very purposeful, but honestly, I just kind of went where they already naturally were gonna connect. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing over here. Now sometimes formulas don't exactly mix up well together. As you can see, this really came on very nicely over here, but on here it really did not. And maybe that's because I previously packed it with powder. I'm gonna go in with this red powder. I'm gonna pack it on. I'm gonna see if making it less sticky is the trick. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a little bit of black, and I'm going to, and I mean just a little bit. On this one, I'm actually just gonna do red. On this one, I'm gonna do a little bit of black under each petal, not on top, because we still wanna highlight on top. I will show you what I mean. I have this old white liner from Ulta, and I think I might be able to scrawl some highlights. Let's see. That's cool, but I think I'm still gonna go in with a brush and fill in some sharper edges. I'm going to actually do a body paint. This is just Graftobian. All right, I think I'm gonna put on a pink lip. All right, so guys, this is my look that I just kind of came up with. Let me know what you think. I think it's very fun. I'm not sure how I feel about like the Sprite thing in the middle, but I do really like these roses. Well, hey, thanks for sticking around. Don't forget that I have my podcast called Hold Me, I'm Scared, where me and my best friend once a week pick out something spooky and explore it. Very fun. This week we did conspiracy theories. Don't forget, all my social media is down below. I am always on my TikTok, the most, having fun, but you'll catch me on Instagram sometimes, and Twitter a little bit, Facebook. Well, I hope you have a great day, night, at work, at school, or at home, no matter what it is or what you're doing. This is how I say goodbye on my channel. I'm going to blow you a kiss and you catch it. It's gonna taste like flowers. And then you're gonna blow back, and I promise I will catch it every single time. So, here we go. Mwah. Get my spring-kissed kiss. Spring kiss kiss. All right. Blow it on back, sister. Brother. Oh, yeah. We love it. Love to see it. Love to see it. Well, until next Friday. Bye, guys.